a first minor award. Best in Majorette Exhibition. With an average score of 97%. Congratulations too! Music Foundation na nagkas na rin ka dito. Next award is Best in Dramago. Congratulations too! Music Foundation na nagkas na rin ka dito. Next award is the Most Disciplined Band. Ayan na, matik na lumabas.
Nililimusan ko award.
Alright, with an average score of 92.33%. Congratulations to Bala di sa isa na ito sa kanito. Okay, so next minor award to be given by one of our judges, Sir Bernard Montalvo. We will receive a trophy and a cash prize. Ayan. Next minor award is Best in Uniform. With an average score of 94%. 90%. Congratulations to Music Foundation Gala as well as video. Our next award is Best in Tone Quality. Ito napakaroon na sa lahat ng banda. Ito para sa akin itong pleasant pinaka-green. Yung from clarinet at from flute to bass.
Wow.
Tanong, di ba ka ba? Okay. Yes po. You will receive again a trophy and a cash prize. Thank you so much.
Best in tone quality. Mananalo score of 92 point ilan ba to? Buksi. Point ilan yan?
92.33%.
33%, yeah. Okay, the best in tone quality ng pinakamagandang tunog ay ang banda ng Banda di Sa Alfonso Avite. Palagpakan po natin sila.
Best in Apo. Second po, second. Baka makita nyo rin po ka sa mga banda tumutugtog. Abangan nyo ako. Secret po ako ng banda po. Shoutout again. Nandiyan pa ba ang mga taga Holy Rosary Youth Band? Holy Rosary Youth Band nandyan. Si Tagasin Band. Andyan pa ba? Santa Monica Band. Ayan, andyan pa rin ba ang UFBT? Andyan pa rin ba? Wala na? Okay. Let's move on to the Best in Fancy Drill. Second runner-up. Second runner-up for the Best in Fancy Drill. Again, with an average score of 90%. You will receive a trophy and a cash prize. Okay, Best in Fancy Drill. Second runner-up goes to Bagong Gisagis na ito sa kabito. Best in Fancy Drill. First runner-up You will receive again a trophy and a cash prize. Best in fancy drill first runner-up. With an average score of 90.33%. First runner-up, best in fancy drill goes to Banda Imaculado ng Michael dito. Nag-isang to. Isang to sumas. Sama ka sa picture natin. Sama ka sa picture. Wait lang mo, wait lang. Isang to. Okay, so congratulations. Ito na po ang pinakihipay. Best in Fancy Drill Champion. Okay, Best in Fancy Drill Champion will receive cash prize and a trophy. With an average score of 93.33%. Maraming salamat po, Barangay Tejero. Best in Fancy Drill Champion goes to St. Joseph Van Lighter. Ayan, galit po sila ng paugat pa dito. Congratulations, back to the next group. Okay, so wait naman ni Cap. Thank you so much, Cap. And of course, consider ko na sa mga kasama. No? Okay, so Music Foundation, may consolation prize naman. Okay, second runner-up for the best marching band with an average score of 91%. You will receive cash prize and a trophy. Okay. Best in marching band second runner-up goes to Okay, congratulations to Music Foundation Band of Las Vegas, Cavite. Best marching band first runner-up goes to with an average score of 92.66%. Congratulations! Banda Imaculado ng Cavite. Ayun po, sinisya na, mga matalis. Maraming salamat. Best marching band, first runner-up. Ayan. Banda Imaculado ng Cavite. Okay, best in color guard goes to Banda Imaculado ng Cavite. Yeah. Okay. Best in marching band champion will receive a bass drum and a cash prize, I think so. Okay. With an average score of 94%. Best in marching band champion goes to St. Joseph Van Lighter of Cavite. Best in drill, third runner-up goes to an average score of 87.33%. Congratulations, third runner-up goes to Basic Foundation Valid Dasmariñas Cavite. Okay. With an average score of 88.33%. Best in drill, second runner-up. Congratulations to Banda sa Isla Alfonso Cavite. Best in drill, first runner-up with an average score of 94.66%. Congratulations to Bye kayo mapalada na lang ito dito. Thanks so much po. Maraming salamat. Ayan, ang banda. Okay, kita ko lang ito. Miss Saigon, tama no? Miss Saigon. Lumapit kayo ng baril. Okay. So once again, bago po natin i-announce again, maraming salamat po. Shoutout, Joggers! Ayan! Joggers! Shoutout ng Barangay Tero! Shoutout, Joggers! Okay. Congratulations! Best in-drill champion! Picture tayo? Ayan. Picture ba? Oh, picture daw. Okay, congratulations. Okay, shout out, Rene Rizal. Okay, shout out. And of course, shout out, Joggers again. Ayan. Congratulations. Ayun, thank you so much, Kap.